What if you could generate a UI using AI, refine it in Figma, and bring it directly into Unreal Engine without rebuilding anything manually? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that using my plugin, ViewportUI. Go to the Claude Code documentation, copy the Windows PowerShell command. Open PowerShell for the administrator in your PC, paste it and run the command. It will install Claude Code and open the logic flow. I have already signed in, so I will skip that step. Now, go to the Cloud to Figma MCP documentation. Copy the MCP server command, paste it inside Claude Code, accept all permissions, and authenticate your Figma account. Now to check if everything is working, type /MCP in Claude Code and verify the connection. If it's successful, we are ready to generate UI. You will need a Figma paid plan for the proper API access. With a free plan, you will hit limitations very quickly, especially when you're importing to Unreal. Now, I will give a simple prompt. Create a menu panel for my interactive archivist project with 3 buttons in the center: Start, Options, and Exit. Claude will now generate the UI and push it directly into Figma. Now the design is available inside Figma. From here, I adjust the spacing, colors, typography, and most importantly, I clean up the layer structure. Because a clean hierarchy here will directly affect how the UI gets generated inside Unreal. So naming and structure actually matters a lot. So now to bring this into Unreal Engine, we need API access from Figma. Now download my plugin ViewportUI from Patreon website, extract it, and place it inside your project's plugin folder. Then open your Unreal Engine project, configure the plugin. Once the plugin is enabled, go to your project settings. Here you will find the Viewport UI settings. Paste your Figma API token here. So in your Figma account, choose Help and Account Settings. You will find a Security tab there. There you will find an option to generate the token. Give a name and choose the expiry date and tick whatever the requests you need to transfer between APIs. Usually these settings will work fine. And generate the token. Copy that. Paste it in your action token area. If you also have a Google Font API key, you can paste it here. Now right click on a blank area, choose Import Figma file and give a file key. The file key is the part between design / and the next /. Paste the file key. And now ViewportUI will automatically convert the Figma design into UMG widgets. Now, finally, the Unreal is connected with the Figma. And here is the result. We now have a fully structured widget blueprint with layout, hierarchy, and UI elements already created. Instead of building everything manually, this saves a huge amount of time. This is just a first version of ViewportUI. I'm planning to expand this into a fully AI to Unreal workflow, where you can go from idea to final UI, completely inside Unreal Engine. If you found this useful, let me know in comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.